You're still working on your 9 to 5 job, but you feel that this is not for you because you're really unhappy and frustrated. You feel like you need a change in your life. You want to quit your job and start doing what you love. You want to stop wasting time on things that limit you. You want to feel happiness and be financially free. Let me tell you something. This kind of life is actually possible and not so difficult to achieve at all. And I can show you what you need to do to start living the life you want, to make money online and be financially independent. As in this video, I'm going to show you a new website where you can start making money instantly. Let me explain to you what it actually means and how it's going to change your life. When you're making money online, first of all, you will have a lot of time. Time that you can spend on hanging out with friends and family, traveling, going to the gym or to the beach, and so on. The second best thing is that you will be your own boss. No one will tell you when you can go out for a lunch or take a break. And you will have a much healthier lifestyle, as then you will have money to buy healthy and organic food. But this is my favorite thing of them all. You can work from home, and not only from home, you can work anywhere you like, even when being on a vacation. And you can wear anything you like while you make money from home. You can even work in your pajamas, because there is nobody to tell you what to do or when to do it. I would now like to share some information about this new make money method with you. You don't have to worry about needing special skills or any experience, as those things aren't required at all. I can promise you this method is so easy and it doesn't take much of your time at all. This website is accessible to anyone, as it's available to each country all around the world. Don't worry, you don't need to make any investments because this site is 100% free. All you need to have is your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, and of course, an internet connection. Make sure to pay very close attention and watch this video until the end, because if you are really serious about changing your life and want to make money online, then you need to follow every step I'm showing you in this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. The website I'm now going to show you is called PAIDERA. Go to your browser and just fill in PAIDERA.com. You might be wondering, what is PAIDERA.com and how can you make money with this website? PAIDERA is the one and only website that provides a multi-stream of income in one single platform. This means you will be able to choose what to do with the existing of many options. You can complete tasks that are easy for you. You can complete surveys about your preferred field and take unlimited quizzes whenever you want. You can also invite your friends and family. And the most important is that you can avoid working in multiple sites, as this can get your revenue be splitted, and it could be hard to withdraw it. When working on PAIDERA, you can turn your time into money, and you can get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. And here's why they are the best. They are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day, and there is no limit to what you can make per day. They are also paying you to invite your friends to join PAIDERA. This is what I also love about this site. The minimum payout is $5. Your earnings will be available immediately. And after withdrawing it, the amount will be on your account within the next 24 hours. And when scrolling down a bit, you can see that there are so many different options on how to make money online on this website. You can sign up for several tasks. They are offering multiple surveys available for you to complete. You can also start uploading videos or refer friends and family. Here you can see that this website has currently over 930,000 members, and if you want, you can also be one of them. And over 7 million tasks have been completed. And they have sent over 1.5 million payments. These are very big achievements and only shows how popular this site really is. You can also take a look at the proofs and reviews section in here. After clicking on it, you will be taken to this next page where you can scroll and see so many reviews and proof of payments that have been added by their members. Here you can read that this member has been earning money on the site for a very long time, and he just received his 9th payout, and he's very satisfied with this website. And he recommends it to everyone. Here you can see the amount PAIDERA has paid to its members. $30, $40, again $30, $20, $30, and so on. Reading all these reviews should convince you that this is 100% legit website. And it's also available for everyone all around the world. As it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can also make money on this website. As you can see the hundreds or even thousands of reviews and payment proofs, this only shows you can be sure that you can also start making money on PAIDERA. To do that first, you need to create your free account. Just click on the upper right corner, blue button here, where it says Create an Account. After clicking on it, you will see this sign-up page. You can fill in your first and last name. Create your username, add your email address, create your password, and then click on the Sign Up and Create My Account button here. Once you have created your free account, then you can start taking surveys, downloading apps, doing tasks, inviting friends, and so much more. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. When you have successfully created your account, then you can log in. And that's how the dashboard looks like. And here you can see your total earnings, and if you want, you can start taking surveys right away in here. Just click on it, answer the question, and then click on the blue button to continue. And you will automatically earn up to 50 cents. And the best part is that there are no limits. You can take as many surveys as you want. The reason why I love this website is because for every click you make, you will earn 50 cents. If you answer to 2 more surveys, then you have already earned $1. That's so easy and doesn't take much of your time at all. Once you have completed 10 surveys, then you will be able to unlock different surveys. When starting to complete those new ones, then you will be able to earn double and receive special bonuses. This means you will be able to earn $1 for each survey you'll complete. It's as easy as that. So stop waiting. Just go and create your free account on PAIDERA, as I showed you, and start making money with this cool website. Thank you for watching, and that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.